In this video, I'm going to give some of my brief thoughts about this new RMC Raptor Wonder Woman Flight of Courage. Rising up the steep and loud lift hill offers brief views of the park before hitting the 87-degree first drop. With a strong pop of ejector airtime on the descent and powerful positive Gs in the pullout, it compares well to the large drops on Twisted Colossus. Then, the dive loop forces riders out of their seat once again for a satisfying moment of floater airtime before inverting and descending into another valley with equally strong positive Gs. Riders then experience a massive camelback airtime hill, which offers weak floater than the prior two moments but is more sustained. The standout element, a 0G stall, was much more refined and enjoyable than the other California RMCs because it offered more of an airtime sensation compared to getting a hang time headache from the blood rush in your head. Another strong positive G valley is followed by a sideways pop of airtime into the carousel turn, which can offer some moderate positive Gs once the coaster is warmed up during the day. Dropping down from the turn ejects riders out of their seat briefly before entering the Floaty 0G roll, a twisting inversion with some whip for riders close to the back of the train. Rising and dropping out of the mid-course brake run offers positive airtime for those in the front and back respectively, before entering the overbank curve, another forceful moment that throws riders around the supports of the dive loop. Then comes two off-camper airtime hills that offer sustained floater that is a bit weaker than the large camelback hill. A small speed hill offers a healthy dose of ejector, followed by a high bank sideways airtime hill that offers a bit of floater airtime. Finally, the train enters a cutback inversion, which gives riders one last great hang time moment before hitting the magnetic safety brakes. Overall, this attraction can satisfy coaster enthusiasts and the general public alike with its long ride time and diverse elements. Many moments such as the 0G stall and float airtime hills are still thrilling without being overly intense. Then the moments that are intense such as the first drop, descending valleys, speed hill, and dive loop will appeal more to a seasoned coaster enthusiast. That being said, it has two flaws that are not isolated to the individual installation of this coaster, but are related to the entire Raptor coaster design. That being the restrictive comfort collar restraints that can dig into your shoulder blades and make it difficult to feel some of the weaker moments of airtime, and that many of the high positive valleys cause the train to rattle along the track. The latter can fluctuate based on the row and train, as one train clearly had more of a rattle than the other. I can imagine this would be due to uneven paint wear on the track and flat spots that develop on worn road wheels. Observing these trains up close, it seems they have slight upgrades over the prototype Raptors, such as beefier lap bars and side friction wheel dampers. Overall, Flight of Courage is a fantastic new RMC Raptor that gives the West Coast a solid floater airtime machine and without a doubt is an 8 out of 10 ride, as it can be argued that it ranks just below the S tier of elite coasters such as Twisted Colossus X2, but belongs in the A tier of supporting coasters such as Tatsu, Full Throttle, Viper, and Apocalypse at Magic Mountain. That being said, I would love to hear others' thoughts and opinions about this new RMC, so comment below if you'd like to share. Thank you all so much for watching.